How to make passive income with ChatGPT AI for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I know that you heard about ChatGPT and how awesome this AI is. So for today's video, I will show you guys how you can make a passive income using this free platform. So this platform is for free, and to sign up, you just need to visit the openai.com, and down here you can see they have this featured, and just click the chat GPT and just sign up using your email or your Gmail account. And once you log in, you can write anything here. So how can ChatGPT help you earn passive income? So ChatGPT will help you to become a good copywriter. And you can offer that kind of services as a freelance. So for example, you will go to Fiverr or Upwork, and let's go ahead and look for copywriter over here. And let's see if how much is the offer. So let me just search for it. So as you can see, these are freelancers who offer copywriting services. As you can see here, their starting price is $35. This one $110. This one $15. And you can also create your own profile here and try to offer a copywriting services. And how can you use ChatGPT for copywriting? So when you do copywriting, most of the businesses that will hire you, they need you to write something about product. So here you just need to type in write me a 300 words, because sometimes when you offer this kind of services, they will pay you per word. So for example, they will give you $100 if you can provide them 300 words of product information or product blogs. So something like that. So here you just need to type in write me a 300 words blog about travel and work in 2023 and make it professional. And then just click enter. And with that, as you can see, ChatGPT will write you this 300 words blog about travel and work in 2023. So there's nothing for you to think and write it manually on your own, because ChatGPT will do everything for you automatically. So let's just go ahead and try to read this blog. As we look forward to the year 2023, one trend that is likely to continue is the blurring of lines between travel and work. With advances in technology and the increasing flexibility of many jobs, more and more people are finding ways to combine their love of travel with their professional pursuit. One way that is happening is through the rise of remote work. This means that they can choose to live in a location that they love while still earning a living. So as you can see, you have now a 300 words blog that you can submit to your client. Of course, you need to also review this one, and if there is any changes that you like, then you can go ahead and change it. Or you can also highlight this one and change everything if you like to. But some of the clients in copywriting, they will send an article about this topic and they want you to write the same article. So you can just copy the article. So for example, this is the article. So just copy everything and then just click new chat here on the left hand side. And then over here, you can just go ahead and write rephrase and then just add quotation mark and then paste the article and then just click enter. And with that ChatGPT will rephrase this article for you. So that's how simple and easy you can make use of ChatGPT for copywriting. So let's go ahead and also find another job here that you can make use of ChatGPT. So let's go ahead and search for email support, because you can also make use of ChatGPT for email support. So as you can see here, we have email support here for $10, $5, $10, $120. So it will depend. But let me show you how you can make use of ChatGPT for the email support. For example, you have an irate customer who's complaining about your product and services, who are very dissatisfied, and you want to respond an email that can make them feel calm and also satisfied. So you can just write here, make me a friendly business email to Irate customer about the inconvenience of the service. All right, and then click enter. And with that, ChatGPT will write you a friendly business email to this irate customer. So as you can see here, we have our subject line, which is apology for inconvenience caused during our service. I hope this email finds you well. I am writing to apologize for the inconvenience caused during our service. We understand that this experience has been frustrating for you, and we sincerely apologize for any frustration or disappointment. And then we want you to assure you that this matter very seriously and we are committed to resolving the issue as soon as possible. So this is a good email. Or you can also offer a copywriting for your social media platform. So here you can just write captions about, write a long captions about healthy fitness and add call to action. So, call to action, these are the phrases that you will be using to invite your customer to get the service now or visit the website now to get the product or the service. So, we need to add that one over here so that ChatGPT will write you a good caption with the call to action. So here, staying healthy and fit is crucial for leading a happy and fulfilling life. Regular exercise and balanced diet can help prevent. One of the best way to improve our health and fitness is by setting a goal and working towards it. And then let's go ahead and wait for the call to action. So if you're ready to start your journey to better health and fitness, here is your call to action. Make a plan, set a goal, and take the first step today. Remember, small changes can lead to big result, and every journey starts with a single step. So don't wait any longer. Start your journey to a healthier and fitter you today. And then you can add your website link here, and also you can add a sign up link here for your customer to sign up. So those are some of the services that you can offer online to get a passive income using these free platforms. And by the way, before we end the video, you can also ask ChatGPT to act as a specialist or as a tutor and provide some information to your clients. For example, over here, I type in act as a social media specialist and create a marketing strategy for a business. And this is what ChatGPT responded. So define your target audience, set goals, choose the right platform, develop a content calendar. So you just need to provide this information to your clients. But there are tons of ideas that you can make use of ChatGPT to get passive income. So I guess that's all for today's video, and thank you so much for watching.